Welcome to Rise, the perfect guide to online edtech platform. Myself, Vikram Reddy, lecturer in botany in Rise edtech platform. In botany, in this session, today we discuss a simple tip and trick in morphology of flowering plants. In this chapter, we have number of examples will be there, number of topics will be there. So, on that flower is the one topic, and that aestivation is the most important topic. In exam point of view, the questions will be asked: what is the aestivation? How many types of aestivation will be there? And what is the examples? So, how to remember that examples? So, a lot of confusion will be there. So, to remember the examples, the tip is for you. Ads are very important in television. The ads are very important in television. So in that, ads means A, aestivation. What is the aestivation? The arrangement of floral appendages on the thalamus like calyx and corolla. Based on that, it is divided to how many types? It is divided to 4 types. To remember these 4 types of aestivation, that is first one, valvet aestivation. So that is very means valvet aestivation, and that example is calotropis. Yeah, only one example is there, that is C means, remember the Chennai. If you remember Chennai, it comes in calotropis. Next, in important, I means imbricate aestivation. It is imbricate aestivation. The examples are CG means Chennai, Gujarat, or Chhattisgarh, Gujarat means Kesia and Gulmohar. Kena? Chhattisgarh and Gujarat, or only Chhattisgarh. That is Kesia and Gulmohar. In television, tele means twisted estimation. Twisted estimation. There are 3 examples will be there. There is CLC. CLC. China rose, lady's finger, and cotton. China rose, lady's finger, and cotton. Next, in vision, that is waxillary estivation, also called as papilionaceous corolla and piston mechanism. So examples are PB, Paschim Bengal, that is peen and bean. So this is the most important tip to remembering estivation types and examples. The tip is ads are very important in television. Ads are very important in television. A means estivation, V means valvet estivation, and example is calotropis. I means imbricate estivation, CG, Kesia and Gulmohar. In television, tele means twisted estivation, that is China rose, lady's finger, and cotton. And vision, waxillary estivation, Paschim Bengal, pea and bean. For more tips and tricks, watch our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.